Hello Year 6. So we're just going to have a little recap of rounding and why it's helpful to round when we're trying to estimate and solve a word problem. So in this question, a teacher buys 28 books. Each book costs £4.95. Complete the sentence. 28 to the nearest 10 is, and you'll hopefully all remember that when we're rounding to the nearest 10, we're looking at our units, our ones column, to work out whether that's going to affect our number in the tens column. So there is also the helpful rhyme that you may have learnt in Key Stage 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, round down to the 10 before. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round up to the next 10 on the number line. So knowing 28, we know it comes between 20 and it comes between 30. And according to our rhyme, we're going to be rounding that 28 up to 30. So I'm going to write my answer in there. Okay, and £4.95 to the nearest pound is, now for this we need to think about how many pennies we have in a pound, and as you know we have 100 pennies in a pound. So we're going to have a look at the column in front of our hundreds column, which is the tens column, and we're going to see what number we have in there and decide whether that's going to round up our 4 or not, or if it's going to stay the same. Okay, so thinking of our rhyme, 1, 2, 3, 4, round down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round up. So that 9 is going to make £4.95 rounded to £5. Dear, that's not very good, 5. Let's rub that off so it's clear. There we go. So use your rounded numbers to calculate an estimate for the total cost of the books. So we're basically saying that 30 lots of 5 or 5 lots of 30, as we know multiplication is commutative, so it can be written either way and we will get the same answer. Also, what might help us with this question is if we know what 5 times 3 is. If you know what 5 times 3 is, and as we know it equals 15, that will help you, thinking about our place value, to know that 30 times 5 is going to be 150. Now, as we're dealing with money, we need to pop in our pound sign just in front of our 150 to ensure that our answer makes sense. And there we have it. So the estimated cost for the total of books will be £150, which is useful if you're having to budget for something. Well done.